dear lecturer. Today, I will teach the children about the harmful effect of pesticide and explain about the concept of solubility of pesticide in my video. So, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Yo Joanne and my ID number is 98101207557001. I am from Johor Bahru Learning Center. First, I will introduce what is pesticide. So, pesticides are special substances that people use to protect plants from harmful insects or bugs. They help keep plants healthy by stopping these insects from eating or damaging them. Think of it as a kind of medicine for plants. Just like we use medicine when we are sick, pesticides come in different forms like spray, powders, or tiny balls. People apply them to plants, gardens, or farms to keep the bugs away. When plants are attacked by insects, the insect can eat the leaf, fruits, or vegetables. This can make the plant sick or even die. Pesticides work by killing this bug so that the plant can grow strong and healthy. So, now I will explain about impact of pesticide on the environment. Pesticides are toxic chemicals designed to be released into the environment. Although each pesticide is meant to kill a certain pest, a very large percent of pesticides reach a destination other than their target. Pesticides easily contaminate the air, ground, and water when they escape from field, storage tank, and not discarded properly, especially when they are sprayed aerially. So, pesticide can contaminate the soil. Pesticide can be harmful to soil because they can kill helpful insects and microorganisms that live in the soil. These little creatures are important because they help plants grow and keep the soil healthy. When pesticides are used, they can also stick around the soil for a long time, which can make it hard for new plants to grow. So pesticides can also be harmful to water in a few ways. When farmers use pesticide on their crops, the pesticide can stick to the plants and soil. Then, when it rains, the water can wash the pesticide off the plants and soil and carry them into rivers, lakes, and even underground water that people use for drinking. This can make the water not safe for plants, animals, and people. Also, some pesticides can stay in the water for a long time, which can harm the fish and other creatures that live there. So, it is important for farmers to use pesticides carefully and consider other ways to protect their crops. Pesticides can also harm plants in simple words by making them sick. When pesticides are used to protect plants from harmful bugs, they can sometimes make the plants sick themselves. Pesticides can hurt the leaf and stem of plants, stop them from growing properly, and even harm helpful bugs that keep the plants healthy. So, we need to be careful when using pesticides to ensure that the plants stay healthy. Pesticides can hurt not only the pests, but also target other animals. For example, they can be harmful they can harm beneficial insects like bees, butterflies, and even birds. If this animal come into contact with pesticide, it can make them sick or even cause them to die. Next, I will talk about pesticide solubility and harmful effect to the environment. Pesticides can have harmful effect on the environment due to various reasons, and one significant factor is their solubility. Solubility is the ability of a substance to dissolve into liquid, typically water. So, understanding the solubility of pesticide is crucial because it influences the behavior and potential for environment contaminations. So, when pesticides are applied to crops or sprayed onto the field, they can be susceptible to runoff and leaching. Runoff is the movement of water and any contaminated water across the soil surface. It occurs when rain or snow melts add water to a surface faster, then it can enter the soil. Water running off the land toward canal, stream, river, and lake can also move chemicals such as pesticide. Pesticide may be moving with the runoff water if dissolved in the water or absorbed to eroding soil particles. So leaching, on the other hand, happens when water moves vertically through the soil. From vertically means from up to down. Pesticide with high solubility can penetrate deeper into the soil profile, reaching the groundwater. This can be a problem because it can make the water unsafe for us and the animals that live in it. It can lead to contaminations of drinking water, affecting both humans and other animals in the surrounding area. So we can see that for leaching, the pesticide will leach inside the soil, go into the soil. So it will go to the first layer of the soil, second layer, third layer, and even the underground. So when the pesticide go inside underground, it is called as leaching. So when chemical used to kill bugs and pests get into rivers and lakes, they can also hurt the animal and plants that live there, such as fish, frog, or even duck. This chemical can stay in the water for a long time and make the animals sick, which can cause problems for the whole food chains. This means that the harmful effect can build up over time and make things worse for the environment. Additionally, soluble pesticide can contaminate soil and affect non-target plants. When pesticides dissolve in water, they can be absorbed by plant root, spreading through the plant's tissue and affecting its growth and development. So, pesticides, which are bug kill chemicals, can be harmful to the environment. When these chemicals dissolve easily in water, they can make the water dirty and unsafe for animals and plants. This can also affect the soil and even the food we eat. So it is important to know how easily this pesticide dissolve in water so we can find a better way to control pests and keep the environment safe. So now we will investigate the solubility of pesticide in the soil. So this is the soil and this represents the pesticide. So now I will pour the pesticide inside the water. So imagine the color water as a pesticide. We will investigate the solubility of pesticide inside the soil. So now I will pour the pesticide, this one the color water as a pesticide, into the soil. So now we can see that the pesticide is already inside the soil, and we will wait for tomorrow and see how's the result. So now let us see the result of the solubility of pesticide into the soil. So the color water, which is the pesticide in this case, does not penetrate toward the soil. It remains on top of the soil. So if it rains, example if raining, so the pesticide may flow into the river, lakes, or even ocean. So the process of the pesticide move across the soil surface is called it as runoff. So if the pesticide remain on top of the soil, so it will be high probability that it will cause runoff.